Let's learn how to use the screen share feature when utilizing Instructor tools for a live event. First, let's select the Share Content tab and then Invites. Let's create a new invite. Click on Create. Here you can customize your invite. Under Invite Type, select Live Event. Add in the details of the event and select which tracks you want to include. Under the Instructor Tools tab, click to enable both Instructor Tools and screen sharing. Finish customizing the rest of your invite and select Create Invite. Click on the invite, then select Go to Live Dashboard. Here we see our learners beginning the tracks. For more information about this dashboard, check out our Instructor Tools tutorial. It looks like Samantha Gonzalez is having some trouble. She has raised her hand. The buttons on the right allow us to view learner details. Click on the 3 dots drop-down and then select View User Screen and Details. Now let's view their screen to see what is going on. Click to ask the user to share their screen. Great! Now that they have given permission, we can see their screen. This can be utilized to get a closer look and provide personalized support. Awesome!